Okay, so follow up here on the cut-65ds from yeswelder. Need to contact them, see if I can get part number for drag tips that'll fit this welder. This is, I'm using it mainly on aluminum. I need to be able to drag the tip really on the aluminum for what I'm doing. So this is the tip. It's hard to, doesn't want to focus, but that's what it looks like after only a couple cuts. Dragging it along, and here's your electrode that goes inside the gun. The end of it's getting all bad. This was the second one that came with the machine. The initial one actually lasted me quite a while because I was using this guide. But the issue I seem to have with this guide is when you use this guide and you're dragging this guide, especially with the aluminum, the spatter starts to build up on it, and then it just literally melts the metal guide. I did order a replacement parts kit. It comes with the regular tips. Here's what it is. I know these are, consumables. Now the kit is interesting. It doesn't come with that same metal guide. It comes with a different guide. So here it is put together with the new style guide and a brand new tip. Ideally for what I'm doing, a drag tip would be better for me. The drag tips have, I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus. The drag tips have grooves cut across there so that sparks and things can escape from the tip, so it doesn't melt your tip and destroy it like the other tip I showed. So I'll contact them, see what they have to say, unless somebody knows a part number for this style tip, but a drag tip that I can order from another manufacturer or whatever. All right, thanks.